How do I, 18F, explain to my boyfriend, 18M, that I in fact did not cheat without making it sound like I am guilty? A few days ago, I, 18F, found a bracelet in my boyfriend's, 18M, truck. His truck is always messy and we have a few friends who it could be, but I was already emotional and angrily asked him whose it was. The next day we went to hang out with two of our friends who are brothers. We both were under the impression that all four of us were going to hang out all together. For some reason, the older brother wanted to hang out with just my boyfriend in his truck, so I, in turn, had to go inside and hang out with just the younger one. I was already uncomfortable with that, and my boyfriend says I had a smirk on my face. When I was actually pretty pissed off, the plan wasn't going as it should have. And I said, sure, I guess, pissed off when he had asked me about it. When I came out, he asked why I was sweaty. We live in New England, it's humid, and I worked all day and hadn't even changed out of my work clothes, and I immediately picked up what he was putting down and just said, "Are you effing serious?" He now believes that I brought up the bracelet to cover my own cheating. I would never do that to anyone, as I've been victim to cheating in every single relationship I've been in besides this one. He also gave me and home, and has brought me out of a really bad place. I care about and love him way too much, and I have too much to lose to do that. Why would I do that? To him? I'm just very confused, and I feel like no matter how much I explain myself, it just sounds like I am guilty. Please, any advice? Edit. I have realized it seems the friend just wanted to be in the truck for no reason. We all were supposed to smoke together, but he wanted to use what we had in the truck. I didn't see much wrong with it at the time. Also, so far I've said, I can change what you think, but I can tell you my truth, and it's that I could never and would never do that. And he's just been carrying on with conversation as usual. I am so fucking confused.